To sleep well at night after storing your company's data in the cloud, make sure you know who has the keys.
The cloud services are there because they're easy to use, very accessible, very scalable, right? So, and drive major cost savings for an organization, right? So you want to be able to take advantage of this great technology, but you want to be able to do it in a secure way. Unfortunately, we live in a world today where a breach is almost inevitable. Currently, people put things into Dropbox and it's encrypted, but the actual way to unlock that is owned by Dropbox. Right, so what we're proposing is that when you put stuff into the cloud, be it Dropbox or Google or iCloud or any of the major providers, right, you want to be the only person that can access that data. When they encrypt your data, they actually own the key to your data, not you. You don't want to trust a third party, the cloud provider, with securing that data. You want to secure that data yourself. Our technology will enable you to do that. I mean, people are accessing the network through an admin password that has access to everything, and then they're able to just basically have free reign in the network to access any data that they like. So what you want to do is lock that all down so admins only have access to what admins should have access to. When somebody authenticates the network, then you unlock the data that's pertinent to them. So when a CEO accesses the network at the point of authentication, gets a little key ring that will give him access to everything that he's supposed to have access to, right? And regular employees wouldn't have access to everything in the network. They just have access to the things that are pertinent to them. What they really want is no compromised security, right, with zero impact on the end user. But what you want to enable is that when that person authenticates, I type in my password, I automatically get access to the data that I have. I'm not clicking on different things, typing in different passwords all throughout the network, using multiple solutions to encrypt everything, right? I just have access to it, so it's seamless to me as an end user, right? But there's no compromised security. I've heard stories in healthcare where doctors click on electronic health records, and it'll take 5 to 10 minutes to open, with the MRI and the CT scan, right? And it's very frustrating for a doctor to have to click on it and then wait for it to unencrypt, right? We want to do that at the point of authentication, so when he's in the network, he has access to his patient's data, but he won't have access to other doctors' patients' data.